Good morning students and welcome on YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls. Myself Kirti and today's lecture for class 10th maths and the topic are solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method. So now in this session I am going to solve a quadratic equation with the help of the factorization method. So first of all I am going to discuss the general procedure of finding the solution of a quadratic equation. So firstly, let us considering the quadratic equation which are ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Now I am going to express these expression into a product of two linear expression which are px plus q and second rx plus small s is equals to 0. Now I am take the simple linear first expression and equating it with 0, then if px plus q is equals to 0 such that we get x is equals to minus p upon q, which is the first solution. And similarly find the second one, which are if take rx plus small s is equals to 0, then x is minus s upon r. This is the second solution. By this procedure I am going to solve our example, which are find the root of the following quadratic equation by the factorization method. Now the quadratic equations are 2x square minus x plus 1 upon 8 is equals to 0. First of all I am going to simplify these quadratic equation. So I'll take an LCM of 1 and 8. We get 8. Then here which becomes 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equals to 0, such that the expression are 6x square minus 8x plus 1 is equals to 0. Here the 8 goes to the right side and became 0. Now I am going to first I am going to divide these middle term into the two parts. How can I divide? First of all, multiplying the first term and the last term, we get 16 into 1 is equals to 16. Then factorizing this 16 by LCM, we get 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. I am going to divide these factorization terms into the two parts as 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. We get two groups 4 and 4. Now I am going to add 4 plus 4, which gives 8, which are the middle term. So the expression are 16x square I can write as take in bracket and plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, the 8 I can write 8 as 4 plus 4, then 16x square minus 4x minus plus is minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, after that it became the two groups, which are first group and this is the second group. I'll take in common part from the first group. The common part are 4x. Then the remain one, which are 4x minus 1. Similarly, the common parts are minus 1 and 4x minus 1 get remain. Then gives 4x minus 1 and 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. So here this became into the 2 product. Now our quadratic equation 16x square minus 8x plus 1 is equals to 0 are expressible into a product of two linear expression. Then I am going to find the value of x while taking 4x minus 1 is equals to 0. Then we get x is equals to 1 upon 4. Similarly, the second expression, which are 4x minus 0, then the value of x is also a 1 upon 4. So this is the two solution of the above linear equation. Now this is the complete procedure of the factorization method. By this method, you can easily find the solution of any quadratic equation. Thank you.